Hi guys, today I'm going to be introducing to you 3 interesting objects that will help you with you and your photography shoot. So please stay tuned! Number 1. The moon lamp. I'm sure you guys see this interesting moon lamp all over Instagram. Alright, this moon lamp comes in 2 different colors. You are able to change the different intensity of the light too. Let me show you some of the photos that I've taken with this moon lamp. So for all those who are interested, alright, this is a 15cm moon lamp. There's moon lamps that come of different sizes, but I will not suggest something that's too big. Number 2. The Prism. These simple objects from your science class can give you so many interesting colors for your photography. Okay, just by putting at this lens, I can show you different rays of colors that makes your picture even more interesting. Here are some of the photos that I've taken with the Prism. This is not a notebook, this is our object number 3. This is actually a small book lamp and you'll be able to illuminate light into your face. Look. You can even make it into a circle. Here are some of the photos taken with the book lamp. Interesting, right? I hope you liked my video on these 3 different photography objects that will be able to help you with your photography. Please leave down in the comments below what other things I can add on to make it more interesting, or if you have any suggestions on other objects that help with photography. Thank you. Please like and subscribe if you like my video, and I'll see you in the next one.